Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to change language on TokenPocket in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening TokenPocket on your device. Tap on Me at the bottom right. Tap on Settings at the bottom. Go to Language. From the given list, select the language that you want to change into. Then simply tap on the language. Tap on Save at the top right. And that is how to change language on TokenPocket app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.